We all dream of change, becoming fitter, smarter, more disciplined. But most of us start strong and give up in a week. It's not because you lack motivation. It's not because you're lazy. It's because you don't have a system. From best-selling author James Clear comes a method that has transformed millions of lives. Atomic Habits. A framework so simple, so powerful. It can reprogram your habits and reshape your identity. Discover the invisible power of the 1% rule. How tiny, daily improvements compound into massive change. Why goals alone fail. And how systems make success inevitable. Learn the 4 laws of behavior change. Make it obvious. Make it attractive. Make it easy. Make it satisfying. Whether you want to get fit, focus on your studies, or become the best version of yourself, it all begins with one small habit. Full video launches Friday, 15th August on Mind Bloom YouTube. Follow, subscribe, and take the first step to changing your life, because your future is built one habit at a time.